guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Kiana. I'm so glad that you could be here. Today's video is so exciting. I am so easily influenced by everything. I am such a sucker for buying things that I do not need, but I see it enough time, I just convince myself that I do need it. You know those TikTok de-influencing videos, a bunch of content creators talking about things that are very popular on social media that are maybe not worth your money, not worth spending the extra dollars on when there's maybe a dupe. Yeah, this is not one of those videos. This video is quite literally the opposite. This video are things that I have been influenced to buy that are actually worth the money. I just collected a handful of things that I have been influenced to buy lately. Some of these things range in price. Some of these things are completely random. There's no rhyme or reason to the actual list. Over my lifetime and over the span of me being on YouTube and TikTok and Instagram, I'm pretty sure that I've been persuaded to buy a million and one things, but these are the things that I've been persuaded to buy recently. Let me know in the comments down below some of the things that you have been influenced to buy, either from TikTok, from Facebook, from Instagram. Maybe someone told you about them and you just fell in love with them. Without further ado, let's get started with the things that I've been influenced to buy that are actually worth my money. This first product is actually the thing that sparked my idea for this video, and it is the L'Occitane. Oh my god, I hope I'm saying that right. L'Occitane? 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 I think it's French. It's French, so it's like L'Occitane dry skin hand cream with 20% shea butter. If you are on TikTok, you know about this product. I can't remember what her name is, but she just reviews hand creams and she always compares the hand cream to being the texture of cream cheese. If you know her, you know her, and if you don't, you don't, and I just look crazy. I ran my ass to Sephora. When I got to Sephora, this was sold out, but at On Mills, there's actually a L'Occitane outlet store, and that's where I got this. They were fully stocked of this. They also have the 25% shea butter version. I do not like that one because I do not like the smell. A lot of people actually don't like the smell of this one either. It smells like baby powder or like diapers. That's what I've heard on TikTok. I don't mind the smell. It actually kind of smells clean. The only thing that I don't love is that it is in a metal tube. It's similar to it's exactly the same. I don't know why I said similar. It's exactly the same tube as the Summer Fridays jet lag mask. I love the idea of the metal tube, but unless you have one of these keys, which they do sell, the L'Occitane Magic Key, I believe that's what it's called. This one is the Summer Fridays key that I got from the jet lag mask, and it fits as well. It's a little bit snug, but honestly it does the job. This hand cream, if you get dry skin in general but dry hands, this is for you. I also tried a sample of their almond body cream. That is so good. So like, I'm pretty sure that any L'Occitane products are gonna be so good for dry skin. Your girl has dry skin, especially in the winter, but just like all year round. This is it. I believe this is like 30 something dollars. I know that the 25% one is like $1. If you have a L'Occitane actual store, or sometimes they have like a kiosk, go to those before going to Sephora, because Sephora marks up the products so much. Just go directly to the source. I use the little like key thing to do this. Let me show you the texture of it. Look at it. And then the girl on TikTok always compares it to like cream cheese because of the consistency of it. Yes, I did put lotion all over my rings because now my hands are fully hydrated. You need this, especially now in the winter. You need this. I'm gonna have a link to it in the description box down below, but also I'm gonna link everything in the description box down below. So if you're interested in anything, look over there. Now the next thing, if you have watched my most recent video, which is a what's in my purse video, then you know exactly what this is. It's my Lululemon everywhere belt bag, everyday belt bag. I always forget the name, but you know what it is. It's all over TikTok. If you watched my last video, you know that I was a belt bag hater, specifically because it could not fit my Kindle in it. Once I saw that it came in pink, sold, because anything that comes in pink, I feel the need to have it. Like, I have some emotional connection to it, so I got it. This is in the flush pink color. It's so cute. It holds exactly what you need. Like, it holds your wallet, it holds your keys. I recently switched purses, so this one doesn't really have anything. It is like the perfect size for just grabbing and going. If you go to the gym a lot, this will be great because it holds everything that you need. If you were like me and you were a hater, find a color that you love, because they are coming out with new colors, new styles all the time, and I'm so glad that I waited for the pink one instead of just getting the boring black. So pick a color that describes your personality, and then it's a done deal. The next thing is honestly super random, but also not, because this company went viral for their business and their brand strategy being copied by another hair clip company or hair accessory company, the Daily Clip, Cove essentially. Essentials. This clip, I could not justify spending like, I think it's like $37 for this clip in particular. This is the daily clip in the size large. I can't remember what this exact color is. I got it on Black Friday and I think I got it for $17. Am I saying that you need to spend $37 Canadian on a clip? No, but I was so influenced. Like, I love a good hair clip. This clip is actually too big for my amount of hair now. At the time, I had a lot of hair, and this, it was not moving. I was doing workout classes in them. I was going to work in this. It would not budge. And when I tell you, this clip, they always test their clips and stuff. I'm not gonna do it just because I'm so scared for it to break. Like, it's massive. It will hold all your hair. It holds thick hair, thin hair, braids. This is your go-to. Now, will I be spending $37 on a clip? No, I would really advise to wait for a sale, especially on Black Friday or something. But I was influenced to buy it, and I am glad that I supported Hove Essentials because number one, they're Canadian and a small business and women-owned. Hove Essentials. It is quite literally an essential. And if you know what this little brown baggie is, then you know exactly what I'm going to talk about, and it is Merit Beauty. I couldn't pick one specific product from Merit Beauty because I love them all. Literally the only thing that I wear on my face ever, foundation to my blush to my highlighter, it's all Merit Beauty. So this is the bag that you get when you place your first order with Merit Beauty. I have worked with them in the past. However, I will have to say that since they sent me their whole collection, I think that was in 2021, honestly, I've never looked back. Every single product is a win for me, and I have seen a lot of de-influencing videos talking about Merit Beauty. I am here to squash those claims. I have used a lot of makeup, beauty, hair products that don't necessarily work for me, but do work for other people, and I would tell everyone, you know, that doesn't work for me, but it works for some. Same goes for Merit Beauty. They coined the 5-minute makeup routine, and trust me when I say I'm running late, if I have extra time, this is what I'm picking up. I am not doing my makeup with literally anything else except for Merit Beauty. There are some things that I don't actually love, like their mascara. I've never tried their eyeshadow, not a fan of eyeshadow. Their actual lipstick, never tried, but the original 5-minute makeup routine products I have used, and they are all in here. They just work so good for me. Again, I have incredibly dry skin, and this is all like cream-based products, so maybe that's why I love it. If you have oily skin, a lot of people don't love it, but again, not everything is gonna work for everybody. I know that the clean aesthetic is out, and I know that the mob wife aesthetic is in, but I'm clean girl aesthetic to the core, and if you are too, Merit Beauty is truly for you. Let me share some of my favorites. So obviously the Minimalist Perfecting Complexion Stick, a highlighting balm in Cava. This is my very first highlighting balm ever. I do have the one in Bounce now, but I just refuse to get rid of this one. Honorable mention to their Flush Balm. Those would be like my top 3 things that you need to get. I cannot go back to my old makeup routine, whatever that was. This one is a new love for me. It's a wax stick. This particular wax stick all over my For You page, and you can actually get it on Amazon. I'm not gonna open it because all my little hairs are stuck to it. I wish that they had better packaging for this, but it does exactly what you would think it does. It slicks back your hair, and I have such tiny little baby hairs now, and it slicks it back to where I don't need to put like those bobby pins or anything. It's super cheap for this one as well. It is worth your money considering it's only like $10. Never used to be a wax stick girly. I would just like bobby pin everything. This is so much easier than doing that, and I don't know why I wasn't influenced to buy a wax stick in the past. I think everybody needs this, honestly. The next thing, we know her, we love her. I literally talk about her in probably every single video. My Kindle. I cannot express to you the times that I've debated getting a Kindle, and then I saw my absolute favorite lifestyle beauty guru vlogger Tara Michelle on YouTube get a Kindle and absolutely rave about her experience with a Kindle. And now listen, I used to be a physical copy paperback girly until I got my Kindle, and I used to be a hater. I was like, I could never read on a screen, that would hurt my eyes. I read this in bed in the dark. I am like, my face is smushed against my pillow and I am reading. I am flying through books like it's nobody's business. Ask me how I read 25 books, Kindle. Ask me how I read 8 books so far this year, Kindle. Everything is on here. It's just so convenient, in my purse, in my bag, in my pocket. I'm so glad that I was influenced because this has absolutely changed my life life, and I will preach it to everybody who is interested in getting a Kindle. Worth it. If you want a whole video on me raving about the Kindle and explaining why I am a Kindle girly now, let me know. Whole video dedicated to my one true love of 2023. How could I resist? It is no surprise that I literally live in leggings. I live in workout, athleisure, everything, because I have become obsessed with working out, going to the gym, doing workout classes, getting fit, all of that stuff, because I am crazy about it. Last year was the first year where I actually took like my health and fitness really seriously. With that, the way I get my ass to the gym, workout apparel, because I refuse to work out in something ugly. And then I saw these on TikTok, and my girl Melrose Training, she was talking about the new Lululemon Wonder Under smooth cover leggings. I almost gasped. If you don't know what these are, let me put you onto them. So they are the Lululemon Wonder Under training leggings with the aligned fabric. So it's like the Wonder Unders, the performance of them, the way you can wear them to do HIIT, to run, whatever, with the softness and the buttery feeling of the aligns. Now, I know that a lot of people do not like these. They do not think that they are soft enough. To me, they are. These are, I can't even remember what color these are. I do have them in black, but I thought that it would be easier to show you the details of it with this like raspberry color. I can't remember what the exact color is called. The waistband has a little dip in it, and it's not your normal like, straight across waistband. So good. It makes your legs look amazing, look way longer. I have short legs. I am a short girl. This makes my legs look amazing, and they also have it in the back, that like little dip that makes your ass look really nice. Also, speaking of the back, they have a new logo on it. It is a monochrome logo to match the color of the leggings. I'm gagged. Now, I love the little silver Lululemon logo as much as the next person, but something about this little monochrome logo has me in a chokehold because it's just so chic, so good. If you are a training girly, this is good for you because it can transition from Pilates to HIIT to running to whatever. If I'm wearing Lulus from now on, it's most likely the Wonder Under smooth cover ones. This next thing really popped off on TikTok, and it is the most random thing that I've been influenced to buy. The Octobuddy. This is actually like the Octobuddy brand. I obviously got the cute little light pink color because duh, it sticks to everything. It is a little annoying to have it on the table and then it stick and you have to have that like peeling noise, but I have taken this off cases, put it back on, put them on new cases. It holds. It is so strong. I actually don't know how it does it. It never loses its grip. I've never had my phone fall. I don't know. It just does wonders, and I can't explain it. I can't explain the gratification of just like propping your phone up somewhere. It's like a truly random purchase that seems unnecessary until you have it, but once you have it, I really can't picture my life without it. And the absolute last thing that I have been influenced by that is actually worth the money, the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream, specifically in this tub. I know that they have like the squeezy bottles and stuff. In this tub specifically, you probably can't tell because it's white, but I very much love this product. I, again, have extremely dry skin. This is the only thing that ever saves my dry skin. Putting this on, oh my goodness, my skin has never felt so hydrated in its life, and my skin is dry, like drier than the Sahara Desert. Everything about it is a yes. I know that a lot of First Aid Beauty products, that is what they're designed for. They're designed to be really good for your skin, whatever skin problems you have. I have been influenced by, her name is Vivian. I can't remember her username, but she partners with First Aid Beauty, and she was talking about the Ultra Repair Cream, I think in 2022, and I was like, I don't really need it. I didn't have dry skin. Something in COVID changed my skin to where it is so dry. It's thick, but it doesn't feel thick. It gets absorbed in your skin so fast. It's like my pride and joy in the winter. This is like an angel sent from heaven for people with dry skin like me. And that was it. Those were the things that I've been influenced to buy lately that are actually worth the money. Let me know if you want to do things that I've been influenced by that are not worth the money, or things that I've been influenced to buy from my friends and family that are worth the money, because I think that the biggest influencers in our lives are people that we actually know and can trust. If you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it at any point. Follow me on all my social media. It's at Gabrielle_, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!